It's 49 days since the first restrictions were introduced in Ireland to stop the spread of COVID-19, and for 35 of those days our movements have been severely curtailed. The current restrictions are due to be in place until the 5th of May, but what everyone wants to know is how and when they will be lifted. But experts say the government have to be careful about those next steps.
In light of regulations around social distancing in particular, there's a really strong need for much greater clarity, for spelling out what that means in real terms for ordinary people who are going about their daily business. We've seen communication strategies that do provide quite broad guidelines, but in many cases we have seen an absence of real fine grain, and in some cases it's been left to the guards to try and figure that out and implement that, and that doesn't actually help the guards either in the process of trying to police this process. We cannot take the consent or compliance of people for granted.
A survey for RTE's Claire Byrne Live found that 47% of people did not think the government should ease restrictions next week.
People in general are not clamouring to ease the restrictions. The vast majority of people want to do it when it's safe to do so. They need to have very clear guidelines about why they're being asked to do what they're being asked to do. I think motivating people is about really tapping into people's desire to protect other people. And we also need to be able to provide a vision for the future.
The Taoiseach said the roadmap to reopen Ireland will be slow and gradual. What remains to be seen is if at the end of that journey we'll be back to the place we were before or somewhere entirely new. Samantha Library, RTE News.